Hey, you guys want any sound effects for your social media videos? I got a website that has all kinds of sound effects, royalty free. You could use on any kind of video you make. Really cool sound effects. Stay with me. You want to go to Picabay. Picabay is where you get your free sound effects. Royalty free, Picabay. Let's try a few out. All you got to do is log in with your Google. It's totally free, and you got all kind of sound effects that you want. Notification, ringtone, whatever kind of sound effect you want. It has different kinds of millions of them on here. You choose what you want. 13,900